I don't really use Reddit too much, but I do use a service called F5Bot that sends me an email whenever some topic or some keyword that I subscribe to is posted to Reddit. And the other day, I saw a message come through on F5Bot about AppSheet, and what the person said was basically, my company switched about a year ago from Microsoft Suite to Google Suite, which meant switching from PowerApps to AppSheet. And I can't believe what a huge pile of beep AppSheet is. I absolutely love making PowerApps, and after classes and videos and hours upon hours of researching, I cannot stand making AppSheet apps. Even the name irritates and I'll beep that one too, beep, out of me. Some of the simplest things are impossible, like not being able to stretch or change the width of a form view. Are you kidding me? So why exactly does this person hate AppSheet so much? Well, first of all, I'll qualify everything that I'm going to say here by the fact that I haven't actually talked with them. I'm just basing it off of what I read right there. But I feel like the real problem here is that this person's company decided to switch over to AppSheet purely based on the name. Or maybe what some salesperson told them that it did versus what they knew that it actually did. But there seems to have been some kind of assumption that AppSheet is the same as PowerApps, which really isn't the case. At least it's not entirely the case. And the confusion is that even though the names are kind of similar, what AppSheet actually is and what AppSheet does is really a subset of what PowerApps does. And PowerApps really lets you create two kinds of apps. Either what are called canvas apps or model-driven apps. And canvas apps give you complete control over how your app looks. You can build whatever you want. You can place things wherever you want them to be. You can change the size of them. You can change the color of them. You can change the layout. It's literally a blank canvas. And based on what I'm reading here, the canvas apps part is what this Reddit poster really liked about PowerApps. But the problem is that AppSheet doesn't really have that. Instead, AppSheet really works like the other half of PowerApps, the model-driven part. And model-driven apps aren't really that flexible at all. They basically give you what you need to get the job done as far as the user interface is concerned, with minimal options for customizing the layout and widths and positions and all the types of things that they were looking for. So why would you ever want to create a model-driven app instead of a canvas app? Well, the main reasons are really speed and simplicity. And if you can live with the user interface that the model-driven app gives you, it's much easier and therefore much faster to create your app because you don't have to do as much. You basically just link the app to the tables that you want to use, and it creates all those views and all that user interface for you. This all kind of reminds me of when Twitter originally launched. Before that, if you wanted to share an idea on the internet, you usually had to go and write a blog post, and that took a lot of time. At least before we had AI, that took a lot of time. Now you can just say, write me a blog post about whatever, and it'll write some, probably garbage, but it'll write something for you. And what you ended up with in the end of those blog posts, it was something that was very crafted, but it was very time consuming to actually create that. So you usually just didn't do it at all. You just kind of kept that thought in your head. But then when Twitter launched and it only let you use 140 characters, it really forced you to be quick and simple with your posts. So people started doing it a lot more and ended up sharing a lot more. And in my opinion, this is really one of the key benefits of AppSheet, and that's that you can create something that is much better than just using a spreadsheet for whatever business process you're running in very little time. And I'm not saying that model-driven apps are better or worse than Canvas apps. They're just better for some situations like these simple types of apps. I'd really love to see Google eventually add a Canvas option to AppSheet like what Microsoft has for PowerApps. But in the meantime, or maybe in the forever time if Google never does it, we've only got the model-driven part for right now. But outside of AppSheet, there are some great options for Canvas-style builders that can connect to Google Sheets and other data sources just like we do in AppSheet. One of my favorites is called Superblocks, and it's what I use for almost all of my Canvas-style apps. But there are also a few others out there at varying price ranges. One is called Retool, which is really made for internal type apps. AppSmith, Bubble.io, Mendix, and even PowerApps if you're still have a subscription to the Microsoft side of things and you're able to use that. PowerApps itself is a great tool for this type of thing. So unfortunately, I don't really have a great solution for anyone that's in this specific position, But my advice would be that if the move away from a Canvas style tool is really costing the business a lot of time and a lot of money, try to make that clear, collect the data that's necessary to actually be able to prove that to them and present your case. Because what businesses often care about most is really that bottom line, which is probably why they ended up moving in this direction to start with. So whoever wrote that will probably never see this video, but for everyone else, I hope this helps if you're facing the same type of decision. All right, that's all I've got for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.